What's up, YouTube? Blue Collar Success here. Just let my truck warm up. There's a lot of ice, sleet, snow mixture. Oh my god. Straight ice. Wow. Yeah, it's a pretty shitty day out today. And just wanted to talk about, business isn't for everyone. I just feel like there's a lot of just, toxic positivity almost, as some people call it, of just start a business, you'll be rich, or just if you don't have a business, you're a loser. That's not true. And yes, business has its advantages, but it also has a lot of disadvantages as well. And I would just be careful before starting a business that you really know what you're doing, and that owning a business is way more than just knowing how to weld. It's so much that goes into it, and I'm trying to make this YouTube channel to help everyone out, but I just want to emphasize how important it is to understand that business isn't for everyone. I mean, look at the stats of how many businesses fail. It's not easy, and my advice is watch as many YouTube videos as you can about that kind of stuff, and just try to learn all you can about the business end of things, and you'll be way better off if you just take your time and try to come up with a business plan before you launch your business. And I wouldn't take out any loans, but that's just me. I would definitely wait until my business is booming a little bit, and I would keep my full-time job. That's what I'm doing. I'm keeping my full-time job. And a little bit more of a couple updates. I'm going to be branching out from just mobile welding to some pipe fitting stuff. Slash a little bit of plumbing, I guess you could say. But I wanted to do mobile welding only, and I guess I've kind of come across some jobs where I'm able to do a lot of screwed pipe, socket weld pipe, just regular gas lines, copper pro press, copper soldering, brazing. I've come across a lot of that stuff, and I figured, why not just add that to my services instead of a customer asking me, hey, can you do this? And I'd be like, yeah, sure. But instead, I just have it listed as my service on my website or whatever, or, on my business card. I'm not going to do anything extreme, but like low pressure steam, boilers, like hydronic heating, basic stuff like that. I don't know if I deal with high pressure. I deal with that stuff at work all the time, but I don't know if I'd go in my side business with that, because my insurance would probably be a lot higher. Right now, my insurance is only good for up to 15, which is low pressure. Anything above that is high pressure, as so I've been told. I guess some people say there's medium pressure, but in my opinion, there's no such thing. It's either low or high. And so that's something that's going to be coming up. I'm going to be doing some videos on that. And since I bought that camera, as you guys know, that 4K camera with the tripod, I want to start doing some videos of me mobile welding and doing some jobs. As the weather warms up, obviously it's a really crappy, sleety, snowy, rainy day out right now, but as time progresses and it gets into spring slash summer, I'd like to really do some more videos of me actually in the field, because right now work's really slow. I'm just doing my full-time job as best as I can, and yeah, work's really slow. I've really only had one job this month. It's almost the end of the month, so yeah, for now work's slow, but as I maybe add these other services, it'll start picking up again. In spring and summer, I'm sure I'm going to be mobile welding again. But yeah, that's just what I have plans for the channel and the future plans for my business, I guess. So yeah, just a little bit about that. Just be careful before you go into business. Do your thorough research, and also just think about it hard. Don't just jump into it. Some people are just like, just make the leap, but for a lot of us, it's not really that simple. If you got responsibilities, wife, children, whatever, you can't just quit your job and be like, okay, I'm making the leap, and then it fails, and then what are you supposed to do then? So gosh, it's so bad out. But yeah, oh jeez. Wow. Wow, that was some crazy ice. But, you know, it's not as easy as people think. They make it seem like, you know, anyone can do it. But specifically for this business, mobile welding, you got to know how to weld. And with any business, you got to know how to operate a business. And it's not easy to deal with customers. And it's just more to it than you think. So my advice is, you know, a lot of YouTubers are just like, dude, just make the jump. It's not always that easy for all of us. Yes, there's some point where you just have to be like, yeah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to give it my all. But other times, I mean, I just, everyone's situation is different, and I don't want to tell you guys some bad advice and just be like, yeah, just do it, you know. I don't believe in that. You have to be calculated in your decisions. But that's just me. So with that being said, I'm going to try to post more. It's just been so slow in the business that I don't really have anything to post. So thanks for watching. I'm out.